right.
Do this.
Oh my.
What the hell?
Hey, get friendly.
It's my squad, it's okay.
Greet your neighbor.
Greet your neighbor.
Triple stack this, come on.
Don't flex your asshole because that hurts.
Where's the Big Mac at?
Thank you. Can I sit on your lap, Sue?
Yeah, sure. If you want, I was like, if you want to.
There was no other answer that was acceptable as a man, okay? For the record. If anything else, we would have lost respect for you.
Wait,
Pretty petite. I don't think I'd hurt that much.
oh, you have a Crytek too?
Yes.
Hey.
SPR or whatever?
Yeah, I got an SPR.
Yeah.
She said, can I sit on your lap too? I was like, hell yeah. Shit. I can use some push for a game. Fuck. This is why I don't want to drive for these things.
Well, I'm sorry.
There you go.
Good, man?
Yep.
The back on that.
The fuck? God damn. It's only 5 feet. God damn. Niggas like, ooh, falling over the place. Oh.
Everyone was literally like this close. We're like, hey. We're all the way around here to a customer. Or just shoot us.
My boy.
You just chilling?
Yep.
We know what direction they're coming from?
Oh, what the hell? What the shit?
Good job.
That's good.
Yes, sir. We got creature torture.
Line him up. All right, Santa, this is what I want for Christmas.
Fuck it off me. You're gonna have to like
My boy, what's good? What's good? Yo, 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 it's your boy Dills, and we're about to get into a firefight.
Hey, Corey. Yeah, they have the perms in their advantage. They're up there.
Oh my god, I fell inside something.
Don't go this way, guys. Too much mud. You'll lose the shoe. Let's go, boy.
All right.
On the other side of the lake?
Yeah. You need to move around this thing.
When you get down that creek, that's where the booty is, and I want to get some.
Watch that left side, guys.
Miguel. Let's go, my boy. Let's get that booty.
Watch your left, coming across. I got another one. Here, look. Right front, the right front. You got a whole bunch of them right front, right on the other side of the great tree. 200 feet. Ah! I can't. I'm gonna suicide.
I got one. I got it. Hey bro, can you get my smoke real quick? It's in here, my smoke.
Hit!
Ready to go, Miguel?
You're gonna save me today, right?
There you go.
What kind of medical is this?
I don't know. I can wrap you real quick. I gotta smoke.
Do you need it?
I don't
They're
know.
all right there.
Where?
Right there, just looking through. Shit. What? Hey, no. Dylan, medic Tyler.
Tyler, get down.
Dude, I got us out of East Coast I need.
Tyler! What is it?
Save me. You got shot in the chest, but we're gonna bandage up your arm. You're gonna be okay.
You're gonna be. You're good.
Funny thing is, I did get shot in the chest.
Yeah. You can't repair your chest.
Good. I don't have a heart.
My bad.
Yeah, I fucking killed all of those guys over there almost.
All right. I got it.
I got one.
You got one?
Yeah. Appreciate it.
Yeah. Who else?
Oh, don't lie down in there. It's all muddy.
Medic?
I messed up on there. Those guys alive?
Medic?
You're hit right there. No, get that one up. Those guys alive?
Yeah, they're alive.
Hold on. You got a wrap or?
No, I don't have.
All right. I got you. Give me your arm. Yeah. That's on my right.
Change your mind.
I'm going.
Cover fire on the left, guys.
Oh shit, this is a long ass. Hit.
Damn it.
That would be gay as hell in real life.
Cover fire on the left, guys. Got it. I'm dead.
I don't open my mouth no more. I got shot in the teeth.
Battery died.
What?
Ready to get your boots wet?
Ho ho ho. We're about to lose a boot, my boys.
Probably the deepest spot in the whole freaking creek.
This is funny.
Got this, Miguel. Let's go.
Oh shit.
Alright, how far do you think we can go this way?
See that tree right there?